Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript assignment with a return value. If you will recall from our discussion of storing values with assignment operator, everything to the right of equal sign is resolved before the value is assigned. This means we can take the return value of a function assigns it to a variable. Assume we have a predefined a function sum which adds two numbers together, then our sum equal to sum and two arguments 5 and 12 are passed within that function. We'll call sum function which returns a value of 17 and assigns it to our sum variable. So the task for this challenge, call the process arg function with an argument of 7 and assign its return value to the variable processed. So in this case, what we have to do is processed variable already contains 0 value, but we have to change that, and for that we will execute the process arg function with the value of by passing value of 7 as argument. So if we console.log processed, it should show the result, that is 2. Since 7 is passed from here, 7 plus 3 equal to 10 and divided by 5 equal to 2. So that's there. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.